So yeah, look at all these fishies. Today I totally snuck in to the water at the docks in Fort Pierce. There are a bunch of, you know, people there last night, but after sunrise, like, nobody's around. So I just kind of went down a sneaky ladder and jumped in. A couple of guys on a boat ratted me out later, and the boss started yelling at me, but this whole time I'm like swimming. Alright, so that's porkfish, that's porkfish, that's porkfish, that's snook. No, that's not snook. What's that? I don't know what the hell this stuff is. They're really pretty. That one's yellow, that one's black, that one's yellow, that one's gray, that one's silver. Oh man, I'm gonna take a breath. Ooh, a sheep's head. Is that a sheep's head or a sergeant major? Angelfish! Yay! Look at all these fishies. This is real, guys. I like angelfish. Alright, what do we have here? Sergeant majors. Alright, it gets pretty good after a while. Alright, so there's lots of fishies again. Whoa, Porkfish City! I love those guys. I made a painting out of them before. Oh, that's a pretty one. Whoa! Fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Fishy, 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 fishy. Yeah, it's gonna get exciting. Hey, fishies. My cat's gonna love this. It's a snooky! I love snookies. Damn, I'm good at snorkeling. Ooh, it's creepy over here. Coral's pretty. Lobster! See that lobster thing? Bloop. Oh, I like this one. This is too slow. I gotta go. I just realized that. Never mind. Alright. So I'm snorkeling and I'm snorkeling and I'm snorkeling, and I says, "There's a fishy." Yeah. Oh. Alright, so this is educational because here we have when you swim under the docks in Fort Pierce at sunrise and it's still dark, a lot of the fish are still sleeping under the docks. And so are these lovely, amazing jellyfish. Look out! That is a big, big, scary jellyfish. That guy will get you. I'm like 2 inches away from him. That jellyfish and that jellyfish, they were waiting for me. These are big jellies. So just be aware. And then when the sun comes up and somebody almost gets dead from them, then they go out and swim. We'll see that later. That's the educational part. Let's see, what else can I learn, you guys? I'm not even on any alcohols or any drugs right now. Alright. Let's see. These guys are my favorites. I love sparkly fish. It's really pretty. Yep, good snorkeling. Good snorkeling. Oh, look at that. Your face hurts right now because I laughed too much. Wow. Oh, big sheep's head. Alright, now we're gonna go turbo mode, okay? Get ready. It's gonna be turbo mode. You can feel it. That cooler zone is purple. And there's green slime, and there's more fish. I think Eddie's gonna like this one. You guys, in the comments below, tell me if you like my snorkel videos better or Eddie's. Ooh. Now I have to get up the ladder. Because some guy was yelling at me. Oh, see, the jellyfish got scared out. Eddie's taping now. The guy yelled at us, so Eddie didn't get to jump in that time. Alright, I gotta go. See ya. Check out other Shiffler nature documentaries on Eddie Shiffler YouTube.